Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find worksheets for kids easily using this site. So teachers, parents, and homeschoolers, this one's for you. Here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can find a fun, engaging worksheet for kids in the easiest way possible. So what you need to do is open your browser, and on Google you can just search for this Keto worksheets, and you'll easily spot this page called ketoworksheets.com. And as you guys can see in here, there are so many category of worksheets that you can get. There are alphabets, number, maths, shapes, coloring, puzzle, telling time, and if you scroll down you'll see the preview of the worksheet, so you can just choose which category that you want to get. For example, here I'm going to go with this spelling words or scramble. Click on that, and in here you can scroll down and you'll see also lots of options in here again. Now you can just choose which one that you want to get. For example, I'm going to go with words scramble fruits, and what you need to do is just click on this download free worksheet, and you'll get to this page. You can just click on this drop down to download it right away. Whether it's for math, reading, writing, or creative activities, you'll learn how you can get the worksheets that kids will actually enjoy using. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.